So we've got this power chair. My client was using it, and unfortunately the cords came out down here on the bottom. So instead of getting rid of the whole chair and instead of just starting over, we found a replacement control right here. It just had to be a 5-pin right here. We tried one before that was straight, but it needed that angle joint. So we just went online. Literally just got this yesterday. I'm gonna plug it in. Just goes right down here along the bottom. Plug it right in. Hit the buttons. And you can see it works just like it's supposed to. So if you're looking for a replacement control for your recliner, definitely take a look and see if it's an angle joint versus a straight joint. But I would definitely recommend getting this one. It's a long one, long cord. It can definitely extend, and it has a hook so that way it can rest on a table. Take a look at this if you need to repair your power recliner chair.